Okay, so the location, where exactly is Bay Central? So it's in the Dubai Marina, and the Dubai Marina is near the Palm Jumeirah. So that's the big palm tree which everyone sees. So the way Dubai is broken down, you've got Business Bay, which is over here. So that's mainly where quite a lot of the businesses and finances are, and that's where the Burj Khalifa is. And then down here, you've got the Dubai Marina. So that's where quite a lot of the leisure and tourism is. So if I zoom in, I'll show you exactly where the building is. So you zoom in right here, and the building I am in is this one right here. So this is called Bay Central Tower, or Bay Central Central. So it's one of three buildings. You've got the Intercontinental Hotel here, you've got Bay Central here, and you've got Bay Central West, which is the sister building. So as you can see, it's right in the heart of the marina. So the main point is it's very, very central, very, very well located. So anyone who wants ease, access, it's an ideal building for it. Okay, for the interesting bit, how much does it cost to rent out an apartment in the Dubai Marina? So I took out my contract almost a year ago today, and it cost me 60,000 dirhams per year. So if you break that down on a monthly basis, that works out at 5,000 dirhams per month. However, it's worth noting that I don't actually pay 5,000 dirhams per month. The way the Dubai rental system works is you pay in checks, and these checks normally range to quarterly, biannually, or yearly. So it's different to the UK. You can get monthly rental payments, but you normally have to pay a premium. So it's just one of those things. When you get to Dubai, you've got to manage. What I personally did, I paid in one check because I knew I saw this apartment, I loved it, I wanted to lock it in. And I was very wary that if I didn't pay in one check, someone else would have paid in one check, and the landlord would have been like, yep, we like that guy, and they would have gone with him. So in terms of my rent is actually up for renewal in November. They're increasing my rent by 10% to 66,000, which is fair enough because I'm still getting a really, really good discount. I checked on Property Finder, which is a portal which lists properties, and they're all ranging from 75,000, 85,000, 95,000. There's some even at 100,000 dirhams plus. So I'm still getting a really, really sweet deal. The way the Dubai rental market works is it's managed by this governing body, as it were, called RERA, and the maximum they can put my rent up is by 10%. So that gives me, as a tenant, some security, because the Dubai property market is crazy. It suddenly spikes up massively, and then it crashes massively as well. And I was just very fortunate that when I came to Dubai this time last year, that this massive spike was only just starting. It's still gone up quite dramatically from the COVID lows. But for example, I did some research, and the rental prices have increased by 23% in 1 year. And this is just for this building. So for this building, the rent increases have been 23%, and for sale increases, they've gone up by even higher. So they've gone up by 29%. So if you bought this exact same apartment this time last year, it would be, or compared to right now, it'd be 30% more expensive today, which is crazy. So that's the Dubai market for you. It's all fun and games, and It's a very new market, so there's big spikes and crashes, etc. But that's all for a different video. So I'm just going to keep this very brief, wrap it up here. I'm going to do